In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Dropship Spy and SpyFu. Now, if you're running any kind of e-commerce business, whether it's dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell, and also being able to learn from your competitors is a great way to change your business and make a lot of money. And at the same time, picking the wrong tool is a great way to waste a lot of time and money. So you definitely don't want to miss this video. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you can make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each tool one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. For your convenience, I've included the links to both Dropship Spy and SpyFu in the description below so you can check them out. Let's get started. Dropship Spy shines in its product discovery capabilities. It provides a well-organized interface where users can explore really potential hot products that might take off in your business. The platform offers several sections like winning products, promising products, and Instagram influencers, which provide curated insights into trending items. Users can also filter products based on specific niches, popularity, and potential profitability, making it much easier to make targeted decisions. But what about market analysis? Well, the tool offers detailed market analysis features, including engagement rates, potential reach, and competition scores for each product. Dropship Spy also gives an insight into the advertising trends associated with each product, allowing users to gauge market saturation and determine the best timing for entry. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Dropship Spy provides straightforward integration options with Shopify, which I've actually linked in the description below if you want to check it out. It facilitates easy product import and listing. However, its integration capabilities might feel limited compared to some other competitors since it primarily focuses on Shopify without extensive support for other e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or Amazon. So if you are using Shopify, then you're pretty much set with Dropship Spy. What about their supplier database? Well, the platform offers a section on suppliers, including recommended suppliers for each product listed. Although it does not feature a comprehensive supplier database like some tools, it provides essential contact information and reliability ratings, which can really help in making informed supplier choices. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? So Dropship Spy includes a profit calculator with each product to help users understand potential profit margins based on cost and recommended retail prices. This feature is instrumental in making quick assessments about the financial viability of different products. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Dropship Spy has a very clean and intuitive interface. It's user-friendly and especially great for beginners. The dashboard is straightforward, and finding products or navigating through different sections is relatively seamless. What about customer support and community? Well, Dropship Spy offers customer support via email, and they have a growing community on social media platforms where users can exchange tips and experiences. While the support is reliable, it may not be quite as immediate as a lot of live chat options that some other tools provide, but they do have this chat with us where you can kind of contact a bot and you can get some information as well. What about their pricing structure? Like, how much does it cost? What does that look like? So as you can see on their pricing plans, they literally just have one pricing structure, one membership that you can get, which is called the Pro membership, and it's $39 a month. You can get the monthly subscription, or if you get the yearly one, it comes out to $119 a year, which means you're saving $350. And so you can see what's included in this subscription. If you want to try it out, you can actually use the link in the description and sign up. What about the automation features though of Dropship Spy, right? How can you use it for automation in your business? Well, the automation features in Dropship Spy are kind of minimal, focusing mainly on product discovery and analysis rather than the full spectrum of different operations that you would do in your dropshipping business, like auto ordering or inventory management. But what about their analytics and reporting? So Dropship Spy provides basic analytics related to product performance and potential market reach. However, the depth of reporting might not satisfy those looking for detailed business intelligence and advanced metrics. What about the mobile app availability? Well, currently Dropship Spy doesn't offer a mobile app, so that could be a downside for people who want to kind of manage their business on their phone while they're on the run, but that might get added in the future. So what do users have to say overall about Dropship Spy? The user feedback is largely positive, with particular praise for the effective product scouting and the ease of use, but there are some people who complained about not having a wider platform integration and missing out on some more advanced analytics features that some other tools provide, which I've actually mentioned in this channel that you're watching. You can check out some of my other videos. Dropship Spy is a solid choice for dropshippers focused on uncovering promising products and understanding marketing trends, particularly if you use Shopify. SpyFu doesn't directly offer product discovery features for dropshipping, but it has great insights for competitive keywords that you can use, and that can help you with your ad strategies and help you identify trending products or niches based on search traffic and advertising trends. Now, what about market analysis? SpyFu excels in market analysis from an SEO and PPC perspective. It provides comprehensive data on competitors' keyword strategies, organic and paid search results, and historical ad variations. This information is crucial for dropshippers that are trying to understand market trends, optimize their content and strategies, and to help them place ads effectively. What about integrations with platforms like Shopify and other dropshipping e-commerce platforms? Well, SpyFu mainly focuses on SEO and PPC, so it doesn't integrate directly with these e-commerce platforms for product management or listing, but dropshippers can utilize the insights that they get from SpyFu to enhance their listings and ads on the platforms, no matter what platform it is, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or anything else. And they will have to do this manually, though. There is no automatic integration. What about supplier database? Well, SpyFu is not specifically a dropshipping tool, so they don't offer supplying database for different products for your business. What about pricing and profitability tools? Once again, they're not a dropshipping focused tool, so they don't actually offer direct pricing and profitability tools for dropshipping. But the keyword and ad cost data that you can get with SpyFu can help users estimate advertising expenses and gauge the competitiveness of pricing strategies in their niche. What about user interface and ease of use? Well, SpyFu offers a user-friendly interface that's straightforward and easy to navigate. New users can quickly learn to navigate throughout the tons of data that's available, and they also have lots of tutorials and other helpful information as well. Customer support and community is another place where SpyFu does really well. They have excellent customer support with options for contacting them via phone, email, as well as chat. They also offer a rich library of tutorials and a community forum where users can exchange strategies and insights. They also have a blog right here that you can see where you can get lots of information and strategies about keywords and SEO in general to help you in your business. So what about their pricing structure? Well, if we look at pricing right here, we can see they have 3 different plans. They can also offer monthly as well as annual subscriptions. And if you go annual, then you can save up to 30%. So it starts from the basic plan at $39 a month, goes up to the professional at $79 a month. And then the limited time offers in between are some of their most popular, which is you can actually get the basic plan for just $9 a month for a discount, as well as a pro plan, the professional here, for just $49 a month instead of $79. And so you can see everything that's included in all of these plans, and you can sign up right now using the link in the description if you want to try it out. Now, what about the automation features? Well, SpyFu provides detailed analytics and reporting on SEO and PPC campaigns, including keyword rankings, cost per click, and search volume. These insights are essential for optimizing your advertising pricing and content strategies. Now, one thing that's unfortunate is that at the time that I'm recording this video, SpyFu does not actually offer a mobile app. So if you are planning on using your phone to get analytics and research, then unfortunately they don't have an app that you can use. But what do users have to say? What's some of the feedback and reviews? Well, the general feedback for SpyFu is actually quite positive, especially regarding its depth of data on the competitors' search strategies. Users appreciate the actionable insights that help them refine their SEO and PPC efforts. Some users have noted that they would appreciate a more modern interface and faster data updates, but overall, it's still a great platform that can help you out a lot for research in your dropshipping business. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.